Hello, welcome back to the channel. So today we'll be going through what went wrong first. From our previous video, I bought in Tesla around here when it retraced back to the 50-day EMA, right? And then it closed the next day when it closed below the 10-day EMA, right? That's the rule of the game. I have to stick to it and follow through, and that's how I close it. And stop loss is too important for me. Risk management too important, so I close it, and I think I took a loss of what 50 USD or something. Yeah, and then I think the most important thing is to move on, and then when the opportunity arises again, then we will do it again. All right. So just a sharing. Right? I don't have enough time to. I didn't had enough time to upload the video on what my purchase. I think yesterday, the day before. One of the stock that I bought was open, right? And I bought the retracement to the 10-day EMA, and then had the stop loss at the 20-day EMA. Right, since it's a pattern trading, right? We just trade the whole pattern since every time we trace back to the 10-day EMA, and it will rebound and all. So that was what I did. Yep. So for this open itself, I think I've profited around 40% growth. Yep. So yeah. And a few more stocks that I bought today itself is OSTK. Right? OSTK. I bought in today. I bought in today. Immediately after the very first candle, I was just looking at the what's this called, at the candle itself. Right, when the volume, when it broke out and the volume also spiked, that's when I entered on the very first, after the very first candle, which I entered around $29.50 around there, and then now I is making a bit of losses, but it's fine, right? So the stop loss for this is actually the low of the day, since this is a bull flag breakout trading, right? So what happened was that I look at the stock itself, and then it rallied. How much? It rallied around 50%, right? And then it created this. It started to retrace, and then they have this bull flag. So the stock actually retraced a bit, and then with a dropping volume, and then just today it actually broke out. So when it broke out on the very first candle, I bought in, right? And since the volume has already been higher than the normal, so I bought in at 28 plus, and stop loss very important, low of the day. This trade I think is around $60 USD if it's a losing trade. And then I also bought in on IMGN, right? It also retraced back to the 10-day EMA, right? Like I mentioned, it's a pattern, right? It retraced back to 10-day EMA along the whole time. I retrace. So I just bought in, and now I'm just sitting there, and the stop loss is 1 ATI itself. Yeah. The reason why I bought in was actually the fall, right? The retracement is not justified because of a low volume. so yeah, so that's how I enter this trade itself, and we'll see how it goes. Right, stay safe, everybody. Bye bye.